Okay, so continuing on with Bootstrap resampling, we want to understand the process of how we're going to create our replicates. So as I said, we're going to use Bootstrap resampling with replacement. We're going to take a ball out, write a number, put the ball back, and then withdraw again. So we're able to draw the same row twice or many times and miss other rows. Okay, so this creates independence because every time we draw a ball, it is not dependent on what was already taken. If we didn't have the with replacement, we'd essentially just get the same data set in a different ordering of rows, which doesn't really tell us very much, right? So what we're going to do is we're going to construct our bootstrap examples, and we're going to actually, bootstrap resampling with replacement to construct one data set of how many ever samples we choose. It can be more or less samples. And then what we'll do is we'll repeat this for many samples. So we'll construct many bootstrap replicates as we build our understanding of the randomness that's created by the sampling process.